and Social Security disability both provide benefits to those who can't work, and it can be confusing. So what's the difference between the two? Attorneys Eric Slepian and Brian Ellexson with Slepian Ellexson Disability Law are here to explain. Good morning, gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning.
So let me start with you, Eric. Just briefly describe, what is Social Security disability?
Suzanne, when you say briefly describe this program, that is not an easy task.
Yes.
It's a federal program. It's got a lot of different requirements. But the bottom line is the government has in place a provision in the Social Security Act that helps people when they're no longer able to work. And so by accessing these funds, you can get a monthly check. You'll be able to get some health care benefits as well. But I'll tell you, it's very complex.
I can imagine. It sounds complex. So, Brian, though, let me ask you, who qualifies for Social Security disability?
So if you have a medical problem that keeps you out of work and is going to keep you out of work for 12 months or longer, so not a short period of time, but for chronic conditions, you can be eligible for these benefits. And it goes from anything from orthopedic impairments to harder to prove things like fibromyalgia, lupus. These are things that our firm takes on that a lot of other firms don't. But if you have a medical problem that keeps you from working and is going to keep you from working from a year or more, this is a program that can help you.
So, Eric, let me ask you, as you were talking about it, this is an extensive program. People, it's really, unless you know how to do it, it's very difficult. So why should someone come to you two and your firm instead of trying to go this alone?
So this is all that we do. We know the forms. We've talked to the claim examiners. We know what they want. We speak with the judges. We know the medical community. And it just makes the process a lot easier. If you try to go this on your own, it's going to take you hours and hours. And if you make some mistakes on these forms, sometimes those mistakes can't be corrected. And it ends up being very difficult.
That's amazing. So, Brian, let me ask you, what is the process involved with filing a Social Security disability?
So it's as easy as calling our office or going online and visiting us online. We help people from the very beginning of the process in terms of filing the application, compiling their medical information, going to their doctors to get assistance from the doctors. We help people from the very beginning all the way through hearings with administrative law judges and even into federal court where it's required. So it's as simple as giving us a phone call.
So you're able to guide your clients through the process, help them. Eric, this law firm, your uncle started it back in 1978. Tell me, what are the first steps for someone at home? A lot of people can relate to this. They're out of work. They know they're going to be out of work for more than 12 months. What should they do? What do they need to do? How do they get started?
So they need to know to hang in there. This is a long process, and we understand their pain. They're in medical pain, financial pain, and so they should call us. We'll help them through it. We'll let them know if they're eligible for these benefits or not. I'm board certified in Social Security disability. We've been in the Valley for 40 years or so. We know what we're doing, and we've been here a long time. We're very successful. We've recovered millions of dollars for our clients, and so they should give us a call. We'll help them. We'll walk them through the process. If we can help them, we'll explain to them why we can help them, and this way they'll have a better understanding as to what their rights are, what their liabilities are, and they can make the decision of what's best for them.
It's so important that people know their rights and know what they're owed, and I can imagine filling out all those endless amounts of paperwork can be frustrating. So thank you, gentlemen, for coming in and letting people know that you can help them and to keep hope and not to give up. So thank you so much. Always great to see you. And congratulations being in the Valley so long. That's really, truly amazing. Thank you.
Great.
And to find out more information about Slepian Ellexson Law, head to their website, slepian.com, or call the number on your screen.